Have you ever had trouble starting a web meeting or describing your product and offerings over the phone? Well, with ClearSlide, you can have the power of a visual aid on every single sales call you make with no technological snafus. The feature that empowers you to do this is called the live pitch. To get started with the live pitch, you're going to click the live pitch button in the top blue bar. The next step is to pick a document to start with. You'll pick it from this drop-down menu. And then once you've got your customer on the phone, simply give them your viewers link to join you. Now your customer will visit this viewers link in their browser, which means that all your customer needs to access your live pitch is a browser and internet access. They don't have to download anything. They don't have to install anything. Now, once your customer visits your link, you'll notice that you've got one active viewer. And once you've got them on your live pitch, to navigate through the document, all you need to do is click the next button. And if you'd like to point something out on this particular page, take your mouse and click anywhere on the slide. Now, if you want to change what those pointers look like, you're going to click on the draw button and pick a different pointer. And you'll also notice that you've got some other drawing tools and other shapes that you can select. Now, let's say you wanted to jump further down the deck. Let's say skip over about 5 pages. What you'll do is you'll click on the select slide link and pick a page that's further down the presentation. Now your customer won't see all that action happening on the back end. All the customer will see is the document page that you pull up. And also your customer will not see everything that's listed up top here. And just like you can jump to any page at any time in a document, you can actually jump to any document at any time. So if you click back on this drop-down menu, you're able to pick a completely different document and walk through it just like you did before. And then once you're done sharing all your content with your customer and you're done with your live pitch, you'll always want to click End Pitch in order to kick that customer out of your live pitch. And then what ClearSlide asks you to do is take a quick recap of that call. It's a great way for you to accurately take a summary of how that call went. So in the company name field, you're going to type in the company you were speaking with. In the pitch summary field, you're going to type out a quick summary of that call. And underneath active live pitch viewers, you're going to type in the person's name that was on that call. Then you're going to go ahead and click Save Pitch Recap. And on the next screen, you'll see a timeline of exactly how long you spent on that pitch, how many slides you looked at, and how many viewers you had. And if you take a look at this blue and green bar graph, you'll notice that you can hover over each section and see exactly how long you spent on each of those pages. Furthermore, you can take a look at this engagement and see if your customer was actually distracted while you showed different parts of that document. And in this slide, you'll see that the customer was distracted for 0 seconds, and you spent a total of 34 seconds on that particular slide. And that's how you will do a live pitch in ClearSlide.